that is very much important, that you have to have very well grasp on the philosophical aspect of Plato and Aristotle. Actually, what happens in philosophy is that you need to ask questions, why these things are happening. Like if you consider why Plato has accepted the theory of ideas, you have to have crisp point in your hands, that why he accepted theory of ideas. I'll explain why he accepted that. You have many common characteristics of particular you have many common characteristics with different type of particular beings, the different type of empirical things. Like you have uh, cows, you have human beings, they have a common characteristics, like they have two hands, two legs, and the human figures. These are all common characteristics, that is the essence of a particular human being. These essence also classify these human beings into particular class. If you have the idea of humanness, then if you see an object, and if you feel like he looks like a man, so are you getting, no? So these universal characteristics of a particular things, that aims to um, classify classify different type of object into one class. For that you need a theory of ideas. These are the ideas, these universal things, no, cowness, manness, these are universals. These are eternal concepts, that is fixed. If even if it is not there, the particular thing is not there, it is existing. For that you need universals. Again, like you said, he has also given the argument of dinosaurs. The thing that is not existence in this world, like dinosaurs are not existing, but you are able to effectively communicate about dinosaurs to other persons, no? So for that you need ideas. Also the mathematical formula, the scientific formulas, the eternal ideas that is behind these scientific formulas, the scientific world, the nature, the laws that is governing the nature, that is also constant. Otherwise, if these laws are changing, then you can't explain this physical phenomena. Everywhere the Newton's law or the Einstein's equations are equal in every frame of reference. Like, although you have you if you even if you change your frame of reference, you are also adding something to the equations that remain constant. So but the eternal ideas, that is the ideas that is governing the law, that is remaining the same, but you are only modifying the equations. For that you need ideas. And what else? Also, there are higher concepts, like the idea of mammals, that is subsuming the lower ideas, like the idea of cowness. This cow is also mammal. The idea of humanness, the idea of horseness also, you can say. These, the subordinate ideas like humanness, cowness, horseness, these are being subsumed into a higher idea of mammalness. So the ideas, what Plato is saying, that it is hierarchically ordered, like these individual species are subsumed under a bigger species, bigger ideas. And these ideas are hierarchically ordered, and the most supreme idea is the idea of good. That is the supreme idea, and that is the essential object of knowledge, that is the true knowledge. And also the empirical things in the world are changeable in nature, they are not eternal. The changeable things cannot be the object of knowledge, because that will lead to skepticism, and skepticism itself is a philosophically contradictory position. So you need to accept something that is eternal and immutable and unchangeable, that does not depend upon space and time. For that you need ideas.